Welcome to this amazing presentation here. My name is Jasmine. Make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay up to date with the latest videos here. Make sure you check the description as well too. And if you're ready to get started after seeing all of this, definitely click that link as well to either sign up for either one. But what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at some information here, some very valuable, vital type information. And honestly, the financial service industry itself is basically slept on. And a lot of people don't like to talk about it, and or a lot of people don't want to learn about it, because at the end of the day, everything you go through, you have to basically learn. So let's get into it here. All right. So what are the 3 barriers to financial freedom? Low credit score. Trust me, that is definitely top notch, the number one. No cash flow. Nearly 60% of Americans don't have enough savings to cover a $500 unexpected or even unplanned expense. But nearly some don't have even 1,000. And let's be honest, I don't. Just being honest. It's also, most of us were not taught certain things as we were coming up. Even when we became teenagers and when we went to high school, school in general, high school, college, most of us were not taught these things. Most of us were not taught these things, especially should have been taught within our household. Lack of financial literacy. That doesn't mean that you don't just understand. It's like, it's just the lack of knowledge. It's the lack of knowing. Lack of financial literacy costs Americans a total of more than $436 billion in 2022. That's a lot of money in 2022. Denied and distressed. Now, since March of 2022, 50% of Americans who have applied for a loan or financial product have been absolutely denied. And that percentage is probably definitely, of course, higher, and it's 2025. Think about going into 2026, how much debt people are in. Also, how many people are getting denied. Because you're constantly doing inquiries on your credit profile. That's also hindering you as well too. That does take down your credit score a little bit. Highest loan rejection rates. Parents with children under 18, 62%. That might be higher now. Ages 18 to 27, 58%. Millennials. I'm trying to say the word. Ages 28 to 43 is 60%. You know how I get tongue twisted here. But it could be higher than that now. More than 8 in 10 Americans who have been denied, that's 82%, say that the rejection negatively impacted their finances. 82%. Ooh, that's a lot. Tired of not catching a break? That's what tends to happen. 20.7% mortgage application denials. The average rejection rate for mortgage applications increased significantly to 20.7% in 2024. Seriously? And it's only 2025? $7,209. Credit card debt. U.S. credit card debt reached a record of $1.14 trillion in 2024, with the average debt per cardholder rising to $7,209 in 2024. Trust me, I'm in credit card debt too. Because we're using the credit card for all the wrong things. It's initially supposed to be used for emergencies, gas, groceries. Yeah, you can pay your important bills with it, but you need to be using your 9 to 5 job to pay on that credit card itself. Your credit card bill, you want to pay it 15 days before the due date, and you can still pay it 15 days after the due date. That helps with your score, that helps with the payment history as well too, and the credit card utilization. Credit card utilization is really supposed to be 30% of their credit card limit, but initially the best one is 10%. Some people state 10 to 20%, but really it's 10%. If you got $1,000 credit limit, remember, if you want to keep it down, use 10% of that $1,000. That's all you can use. The higher your credit card limit, the more you can use. If you have an $8,000 credit limit, let's do something real quick here. If you have an $8,000 credit card limit, you want to use 30% of that. That means you can use $2,400 of that. That's all you can use. 8,000 credit card limit, and you want to do just 10%. You initially can only use 800 of that. The higher, the more you can use. 11.4% auto loan application rejections. The average rejection rate for auto loans reached 11.4% in 2024. That's the highest rate of rejections ever. Auto loan applications. That's trying to get a vehicle. Let's talk about something absolutely important here. We all want the freedom to do what we want. We all want to have wealth, right? Well, this is a comprehensive financial solution. FreedomWealth provides all the tools you need to achieve financial freedom, empowering you to take control of your finances and build a brighter future. Now, Kevin and Ryan, founded in 2022, led by industry veterans, 100% debt-free and privately owned. Mission to help 1 million people in 5 years. A proven track record of success and support. Google reviews, A+ with the Better Business Bureau. And you know that's top notch. With the Better Business Bureau? Yeah. Now, the tools that you need for financial freedom. Score Path, Wealth Path, Life Path, and Biz Path. Score Path, what you get? 3B monitoring. Staying on top of your credit. Score Boost. You get a credit attorney. You get rent reporting. You can also build credit account as well too. Credit building account that helps individuals establish or improve credit history through a structured installment loan. As long as you're paying on it, you build it. Wealth Path. A lot of us don't think about this. Most of us don't care about this. Estate planning. Think about what you're going to leave for your kids and your grandkids. Will, trust, power of attorney. Who is going to be over the things, especially if some tends to happen to you where you may be down and out. You got to have a power of attorney to say, hey, this person can go into the bank and do X, Y, and Z for me. Personal loans. Financial planning. Debt tracker. A lot of things that most of us did not know about. But now we got the tools. Life Path. You know how many people get their identity stolen? This is where you can be protected. Local savings. Receive discounts from stores. Travel planning. If you're always traveling, flights, hotels, you also get travel planning to see how much you can save. Biz Path is basically about trying to format your LLC. Formation. We also got a credit academy as well too. Start building and working towards your program step by step. Biz funding. Access and begin simple, easy, and efficient application process to basically fund your business. Fund your business. You want to make sure that your LLC is set up correctly. You want to make sure that everything is formatted correctly so that you can get the proper business funding. All of these amazing things. $1,500 value. But guess what? You can get it for $189 just for Freedom Wealth. Activation. All of this is what I just said. $189. You can't beat that. And it's only $99 a month. You can cancel at any time. No contract, no obligations. Cancel at any time. This is going to help you fix your credit as well, because it's a done for you credit repair system. The letters are already done for you. Once you sign up, put in all your correct information, it's going to pull your credit profile for you. It's going to write those dispute letters for you. You can mail it out, or you can have the system to mail it out. We got a couple of success stories here. This is United States only. You can do this wherever you are in the 50 states. Now, let's get into something here. What is fintech? The integration of technology into offerings by financial services companies to improve their use and delivery to consumers. The global fintech market is projected to grow to $700 billion by 2030, driven by demand for easier, faster, and more accessible financial solutions. We use it already. One transaction to another, Cash App, PayPal. The traditional financial system isn't meeting the needs of many people, leading to a massive opportunity for fintech. Fintech is revolutionizing financial services, making it more accessible to underserved populations. Now, what you need to know, what you may not know, what you probably already know, 64% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, and only 39% of Americans could cover an unexpected $1,000 expense. That means we don't have $1,000 in savings. Plus, 43 million Americans have a credit score of 599 or below. Now, definitely probably more than that anyway. According to data from the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. 57% of U.S. adults are financially unhealthy, meaning they struggle with paying bills, saving money, or managing debt, according to the Financial Health Network. Most of us don't have a problem with, getting the money. We have a problem with saving the money. We have the problem with putting the money to where it needs to be. 66% of Americans can't pass a basic financial literacy test, which includes questions about interest rates, inflation, and investment returns. Why? Because most of us were not taught these things. Sometimes we have to unlearn to relearn. 66%? Excuse me. What we're doing here with Freedom Path is we're basically disrupting the financial services. Traditional financial services, we don't do the TV and internet advertising. It's Freedom Path, you, and the customer who needs the service. Now, let's talk about something here. Freedom Path. When you join as a broker, you're joining as like the bundle itself. If you want to join now, like I stated earlier, once you watch this, we run on a point system. So if you're joining as a broker, but you're joining at a level to where you're joining as a broker and also the credit software system, somebody joins you in Freedom Wealth, you get 1 to 2 product points. The Business Credit Academy, if somebody goes to that entire academy, they get a minimum guaranteed of $50,000. You get 2 to 6 points, so on and so forth. Now, become an independent broker, right? You get all the tools, training, and support you need to basically succeed. You get a virtual office to track all your personal and team sales. You get a dedicated customer and broker support team ready to help you. You get a branded Freedom Pad website already done. You get comprehensive marketing system to help you grow and scale. Now, look at this. 5 ways to get paid in your fintech business. Direct commission. Direct commission. Residual commission, meaning that people who pay on their monthly bill, you get residual commission. Customer activation bonus, meaning that if they sign up for like FreedomWealth or Business Credit Academy, of course you get an activation bonus. Leadership match bonus. Infinity growth bonus. 5 ways to get paid. New customer activation. New customer activation commissions. Now, this does not include life insurance. You can get paid weekly. 40% of commissional revenue for new client services. 30% of monthly commissional revenue earned on all billed products. If somebody signs up for FreedomWealth in any of our services and they pay the bill every month, you get 30% of that. Hey, that's a win-win. Customer activation bonus. 3 product points equals $100. If you're signing up as a broker and they sign up for FreedomWealth, you get 3 customers, 3 product points, $100. Now, let's just go a little bit further here. You get 10 people to sign up under you as a broker, which is $289. 10 people, that's 20 points already as a broker, because there's 2 points for them to sign up. That's a win-win. $2,500. You can do this weekly. Ooh, amazing, amazing. I am telling you, absolutely amazing. You can earn a commission match on your team's commission. If you building a team and they're bringing in people, customers, you can earn 20% of your team's commission paid monthly. That's also a win-win. Now, we're running on a point system here. If you building up to 150 points, you get a monthly bonus of 1,000. You build up to 300 points, a monthly growth bonus of 2,000. Imagine helping so many customers and bringing in so many brokers as well. Imagine the amount of money that you're able to make, but also help your family as well too. Now, your business on your own terms. You're in business for yourself, but definitely not by yourself. We have amazing things here. Dedicated broker training and event calendar, professional networking opportunities, weekly pay and monthly bonuses, high growth opportunity, flexible hours and work anywhere, your own co-branded website, training certificates and license included, recognition trips, travel incentives. And right now, people are scaling on their point system to get ready to sell away. We got more success stories here. More here. Letting you take a look at these success stories. Now, as I stated earlier, once you have seen all of that, this is the financial service broker plus the FreedomWealth. This is the broker bundle, meaning that what you saw about the FreedomWealth plus becoming a broker as well too, all of that combined, $289 activation, $99 a month. Think about it. I want you to think about it. Grab it into your mind and think about it. All of what I just said, just becoming a broker, no experience needed, $289 one time as an activation, $99 a month to stay active. That's it, to stay active. If you bring in 10 people at the $289 level, that's 2 points. That's 20 points already, and that's $2,500. Imagine getting 3 customers for Freedom Wealth. That's already 1 to 2 points. 3 points, getting $100. So it's run on a point system. The more you bring in, the more you could possibly make. When you help someone, you're also helping yourself as well too. This is a no-brainer. A whole business in a box. $289. You can't beat that. Check that description below. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. No questions asked. This is everything that you're getting here. Everything that you're getting. $289 to enroll, $99 a month. Available in all states, all 50 states, including Puerto Rico. Join the movement. It's a win-win. You see these beautiful people here? They from all over. This is really a win-win situation here. Anybody can do this. You just got to be willing to say, hey, yeah, I can do this. Create content around it. You also going to be guided by me as well too if you come in as a broker. This right here is a win-win situation. And I hope you enjoyed this small, sweet presentation here. Take in what I basically showed you. If you're not ready to get started and you want to just work on your credit itself, come in and get started for $189 and $99 a month with Freedom Wealth to get your credit fixed. If you don't want to do the broker bundle with the Freedom Wealth included, you can just be a broker itself. All you can do is basically do business funding. And that's $129 and $49 a month. That's just only the broker side. But I recommend the $289 because you get so much more out of it. You get to work on your credit while helping somebody else as well too. All right, beautiful people. I hope you enjoyed this. You can definitely contact me below. You can either text me at my business number below, 662-694-1709. If you're ready to just get your credit fixed only, or if you would like to become a broker or do the broker bundle itself. All right, have a blessed night.